Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to see eBay sold listings. So, how can you see if your listing has been sold or not, if you have any orders, and basically what are the top listings that have been sold throughout your history. Now, first of all, you need to have listings which we have made dozens of videos about them. So make sure to check each one of them, like we made about PC, how to sell your PC part, and basically how to sell items in general. And now, as always, to check your listings, you have to go here to my eBay. After clicking on my eBay, you'll find here the selling area. Do not go to purchases. This is for buyers. So you are here selling. So here selling. Now in this area, in case you didn't list any item yet, you simply have to click on sell an item and you will be able to sell it. But in our case, we have already sold some. So we're simply going to click on sold. So basically here you will find all your orders. Once you have actually received an order, you'll find here all the orders and you can sort them here, like for example with the highest price, with the buyer, that's buyer paid, and all the sorts of informations about the order that has been listed or and sold. So here is basically that. Here also you can find the listings of product that has been unsold, so like the product that are not really getting attraction or people are not getting much look at them. This will help you a lot to actually see which kind of product are working for you or which are not, so you can actually, for example, scale them or basically just do more advertising for the unsold products so you can get much more orders on them. And yeah, that was completely it for today's video. Thank you guys a lot for watching. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And see you guys in the next video.